Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Crypto Guy. In this video we will go through CoinGecko, tell about the market, and I'm going to introduce you something interesting platform which is Diabolo.io. The social trading ecosystem is similar like E3 commas or Hopper, but I think it have some good features which I would like to discuss it here. You can do some copy trading, you can do staking platforms, you also have performance token, and you can also trade as well. And I will go through everything like how it works. It would be a like a walkthrough tutorial for it, how you can connect your, this is the platform. You can see how you can connect your Binance, how you can make your API, and how you can make some smart trade. So if you're interested in this, don't forget and go and like this crypto guy channel, hit the smash button and leave a like and a comment, and let's get into this video. Okay, so here we are. First of all, we'll just see like what's happening with Bitcoin, Ethereum. As you can see that Bitcoin is as usual is 34,500 and Ethereum is about 2200. So in this video I would like to tell you about something interesting, and I found this Diabolo.io. It's an interesting project, and they're also going to introduce their token as well. Here you can choose your French or English, and it's a French based company, and it's a social trading ecosystem. I will say that it's similar to three commas and Hopper. If you have already been used three commas and Hopper, you know what it is. And it's not for like beginner traders, but definitely if you have some experience it would be good. It have integration with FTX exchange, Binance exchange, KuCoin, and Serum as well. And here you can see like what they are providing. We provide a complete ecosystem around the concept of social trading, including CFI, DeFi, and staking services. And if you want to see about the GitHub paper is there, white and also a technical proposal, and you can also contact them. And here are some features, and here you can see that they already have like above 11,000 users, market cap of this one, and they already have the cash holder. And this is a team. You can see about the CEO, CSO, CTO, and also other people. And the good thing is that if you go on their Twitter or on LinkedIn, you can find them. It's not like 100% anonymous. You can actually see that they are real people. And here is the reason like why you have choose Dcash, which is their token. Dcash is a utility token enabling users to fully access the services of the Diablo ecosystem. Users can pay the fees for CFI, DeFi, copy trading services, staking, create their own DBT, or become a liquidity provider for those. So if you have their token, which is they are gonna introduce it, it's still they have this white paper, and here you can see their video at least and all the latest from Diablo. They also have this buyback and burning, so it's mean that the quantity is gonna less and the price is definitely gonna go up. And if you go and see the credits here, this is the credit system here. This is interesting thing which I found about this Diablo, which is make it different, that you don't have to buy a membership or you have to pay like a monthly fee. You just buy this credit. For example, you want to try for like a month and you want to invest like $200, so you can just pay by Coinbase and PayPal for 22 euros, and you can use and check it, and you can always update it when you want it. There is no reoccurring fees for it. In along the video I will gonna show that roadmap. This is their roadmap right now. Here you can see that they started in 2019, 2020, and soon they have this token sale Dcash, and mostly it will come with USDT. ICO price was 10 cents, IDO price was 15 cents, and IEO price is 17 cents. And once this token is launched, then they have D trading, DEX trading, D stacking, D performance, and cross services. So it's still in quite early stages, and if they deliver this kind all of their white paper, definitely this gonna be worth it. And here if you have some questions about them, you can definitely ask them. They are open for it, and that's how they also tell how the how much the copy trading fees, how much the this one. And here are the credits. I already told you that you can buy from Coinbase or PayPal, and then you can use that uh, as you use the services you can pay by that. So now let's have a quick view of their trading platform, how it works, how you can add, how you can do some smart trading. Okay, so now we have this Diablo platform, trading platform. As I told, it's similar kind of platform like other, like Hopper. If you already been used that, so this how it looks like after you have attach your API. I use Binance. Here you can see that more spot. You can click. You can use Binance Future, Binance Spot, Qcoin, FTX, and so I'm using Binance at the moment. And here I try to make one trade here. Here you can see that you have a buy and limit order. You can set the price whatever you want. If you buy a market, if you want to buy a limit, definitely I will prefer limit. Then here you can take the take profit. You always have to turn it on because you want to take the profit, and this is the take profit loss if you want to take it off. And once you are done, you can just click create trade. And here you can see that I am having this small trade with 1 inch. This is my buying price, this is my stop loss, and this is my target, and I'm already on it's 0.31, and I can market sell it right now and make some 0.03 profit. And you can do everything like that. There are a lot of, like, it's all Binance, so you have all the like Ethereum, USDT. For example, you come here, we go to the chart, we see that it's gonna dip. So you come here, you say that okay, I want to buy this at this point, and I want to turn it on and want to sell it this point, and you say okay, let's create trade. And here you can see that my trade is created here and it's at long, but it's 0.0, and I can sell it whenever I want. So this is just a sample trade, and this is their dashboard. You can do the smart trade here, the pots. It will show the performance, how much you have done. This is my whole everything what I've done until now. They also have traders, you can follow them. And if you can see that they also have demo trades and they have real trade, you can follow them, but be careful once you can follow them. So they're gonna do exactly what they are doing. So if they are loss, you have to bear the loss, but if they have profit, you will have the profit. Smart trading, I already show you that you can buy any pair which is available on your exchange, put it here, select a buy or limit, and you can make it a trade. And here you can see your position, longs, and everything. Here you can see that 1 inch is going up, and I already have 0.41, half a percent. And you can also invite a friend, and you can get some. If you want to use my affiliated link, that would be very nice. I would be definitely appreciate. And here's some account configuration that you can see that I have Binance and I already been there. So now I'm gonna tell you that how you can connect your exchange API with Diablo. Okay, so first of all you have to connect it, as I already been connected with my Binance API. So you have to come here, you go to your API management on Binance, and here you can just write the name and click create API. Once it has been created, you can give, there would be a secret key and a normal one. So you have to add your normal key here and API secret key here and then connect. Don't worry, you can always give the restriction that you only are doing spot trading, so there would be no withdrawals. So you can always click what kind of permission you want to give so the platform can use it. So once you are done, you are good to go, and then you just come to here on dashboard, and yeah, here you can see everything, the bots, the traders, and also the smart. And they are also available in English, Russian, and French. They are also good at help very well. I have been contacted with them and they gave me a good one. And yeah, here I have to click the Binance board, and this is the overview of Diablo platform. You have to let me know, like, do you like this kind of platform, do you like this kind of, so I can give you and tell you more about this kind of tutor. And here you can see that I'm already up 0.09, I'm already up 0.027. It's just a demo trade. You can always sell and get it. And they also have a Twitter account. and we are developing a complete ecosystem of CeFi, DeFi, and their own Solana. So Solana is quite fast. So this is overall, and if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to leave a like, share up, and comment it. And you know the drill, crypto guy, just go and click it. So I think that's all for today. Follow them on Twitter as well, and if there's something else, just let me know. And if you want me to make more videos similar like this, leave your comment and keep stacking Bitcoin. And until that, take care and bye bye.